as per binomial theorem, we started doing very basic things. Basic in the sense how to expand positive sign and their general term. How to expand with negative sign and their general term. Using general term, sometimes they will ask you in between any term of the form TR plus 1. What is TR plus 1 here? NCR A power n minus R B power R. Here extra same but minus 1 power R extra. Nothing. This is about general. Nowadays that much also they are not asking. If possible, they will ask you any general term from the end. That I gave you. Now we are going to actual important formula, that is about how to find that middle term. Why we can say middle term is here? Suppose if you consider one example, 3x plus 2y whole power 5 or whole power 6. How many terms present? 7 terms present. Out of these 7 terms, who is at the center? 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side, right side, leave equal number of terms, then we say it is middle. Center is middle term. He is asking middle term now. It happens to be T4. How to write T4? We use that general term formula. NCR plus 1 result. 6C3, 3x power 6 minus 3, 2y power 3 is the answer. Simplification not a problem. To know the term is first. So, when power is even, 6 by 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. This is general rule. Hence, if you consider a plus b power n when n is even number, middle term exists as t n by 2 plus 1. Any problem write down, any even power write down, you will get the answer. In some problems what they will ask you is value of the term, they will not ask you. Which term is the middle? T4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will write here 3x plus 4y whole power 20, 20. Which term is the middle? 100, 110, 210, 2000, 1000. Number only, not value. We notice that it is n is even number. 20, 20 by 2. 10, 10 plus 1 over. Enough. No calculations. Concept level. Suppose they give you odd number. So, consider 3x plus 2y whole power 5. Odd number. When it is 5 power, how many terms present? 6 terms present. Leave equally left and right, I told you. Means left side 3, right side 3. Who is left between? Nothing. That is the reason. Sharing. One left side one person will come inside. From right side one come inside. Sharing. These two are called middle terms. Okay. Hence, in the case of odd number, 2 middle terms exist. What are the 2 middle terms here? First, second, third, fourth. Are T3, T4 are the 2 middle terms in the case of odd. How to formulate? 3 can be expressed in the form of given number. How? 5 plus 1 whole by 2. Okay. 4 how to express it? 5 plus 3. Enough. Any problem with odd number? Any odd number. What are the terms? 13 plus 1 by 2. 7. Let's get 8 only. Compulsory you have to get 8. 2 middle terms I proved successfully. 13 plus 3. 8. Then, like this. When n is added, what is result? N plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 3 by 2 are 2 middle terms in the case of R. If I write even minus sign, no problem. Terms will not change. Minus. Minus. Term is the same. Only you get either positive or negative. That is not big issue. I am asking you, which term will give you middle? First term, positive, negative, who is asking? Nobody. That reason you need only term value, then you have to consider plus or minus what is given minus 1 for our general term formula. Hence, irrespective of the sign here, as per the term concerned, use the result for, in the case of even, n by 2 plus 1, in the case of odd, 2 middle terms. With this, now we go for first result in this analysis today is how we are writing middle terms. First point, to find middle term in a plus b whole power n. First case, if n is even, t n by 2 plus 1 is the middle term. Second case, if n is odd, t n plus 1 by 2 comma by 2 are 2 middle terms exist. Formula is that. Example I will write. You write any example. I write here 3 models so that you can finish. X minus 2y whole power 10, 3x plus y by 2 whole power 11, 4x plus 5y power. Okay, do that. Write down terms only. Which term will give? If possible, also value write down and leave it. If the numbers are very higher values, bigger numbers, nobody will simplify. As per even ABCD also, they will write combination values as it is. They will not simplify. Suppose if you are getting 2000 C 2025 C 2000 1100, they will not calculate. Expressions as it is you have to leave. This is about the only middle term. Then the next item will be is important. What they will ask you is how to find coefficient of some power of x. Yes, represents 1, 2, 3, 4 any number. Any x coefficient they can ask. Generally, if you consider like x square plus 3 by x. One example I am writing, this one. Okay. What is this example? X square plus 3 by x whole power. I will consider 20. Okay. In this, they will ask you find the coefficient of what you say is x power 22. They will ask you. Okay. That is the reason how to do this problem. First method I will show you. What is method here? In the expansion of, you can consider ax plus b by x whole power n. Okay. First step, first subject method I am showing, so that in the exam, if you don't know result, do the solution at the end. Okay. First step, write down general term tr plus 1. What is tr plus 1 here? NCR x square whole power 20 minus r 3 by x whole power r. General term. Second step, collect all the powers of x together. Collect in the sense you have to write calculations here. 40 minus 2r 3 power r x power minus r. Collect means all at a time we have to write. 20 cr 3 power r, leave it. X power 40 minus 3r over. Total power of x collected. How much we got? This 40 minus 3r. Third step, equating power of x to what they want power? Yes. Here what they want power? 22. So 40 minus 22. 40 minus 3r 22. And get the value of r. From this, what is 3r? 40 minus 22. How much it is? 18. Get the value of r. What is final step now? Substitute r in step 1. Which general term? You will get answer. When r is 6, what is general term? We said it is tr plus 1. Then what is r value 6 means which term is here? Therefore, t7 is the coefficient of x power 22. Here s value 22. First question they will ask you, which term will give you x power 22? Okay, term 5, 6, 7, 8, term number over. Simple, easiest question. Some models, numbers will be very small, simple calculations. Values they will ask you. Now we are writing, what is the term value? Consider T7 is equal to, using general formula, 20c6 x square 20 minus 6 3 by x whole power 6. If you simplify, definitely that will be ending with 22. Otherwise, wrong solution. Okay, simplify. 20c6 x power 28 3 power 6 x power 6. What is this calculation? Compulsory for 28 minus 6 only 22. That means what is coefficient here? 20c6 3 power 6 x power 22. Its coefficient is, this is our answer. Okay. How much method all the way we are doing? Subject method. Any problem, whatever coefficient they want, general term. Simplify. Take all power of x one place equating to the number they want. Find r value. Substitute in dr plus 1. It gives number. Simplify. This is procedure. Okay. Subject method. Now, objective. Objective means immediately we should give answer only. That also without even doing any work on the paper, which term will be the answer you can give, so that you will save time and you can do the next question. Hence, very scoring chapter, guaranteed problem. Today's class we are getting 3 results. Definitely in every entrance exam, in these 3 results, one they will rotate. Okay. What is that first middle term we wrote? Now I am giving coefficient term. Next constant term. In these 3, one will come every year. See here. They will ask you term only 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the answers. You read the question. First, 20 into 2, 40 minus 22 by 2 plus 1. Answer. Over. Okay. 40 minus 22. 18. 18 by 3. 6. This is answer. Once you know R value, don't think 6 only answer. Mistake. That is why they give first option. Then what is your answer actually? Therefore, TR plus 1. Only you know R value. Okay. Second problem again. How I wrote value? Power into this minus this by sum of the power. Next problem you see. Suppose 4x cube minus 2 by x square whole power. I will write 40. Okay. Here I want find the coefficient of x power 20. Okay. Term, the only term first we calculate. 40 into 3, 120. Minus 20, 100. By 5, 20. R value 20. Then what is the answer? 21. Over. Okay. Calculations. I gave you first problem. Second problem I am not writing. Get the answer only. You practice like this 5 problems. But plus or minus 1, not a problem. Immaterial. Formula is the same. Suppose if I write 5x plus 2 by x cube whole power 20. Right? In this they want x power 4 multiples. They want x power 4. What is the answer? 20 into 1, 20. Minus 4, 16. By 1 plus 3, 4. 16 by 4, 4. Plus 1, 5. T5 answer. Okay. No question of calculations, no question of formula. You will not use your space. Read the question, calculate in space. This is value, this is value, this is value. Answer is over. This chapter belongs to first level. Read the question, write the answer. Okay. Very accurate. I gave you some list of topics. Come under first level. What is first level speed? Read the question, write the answer. Happens in trigonometry. Some questions in geometry later I will tell you. Binomial theorem, very particularly binomial theorem is read right only. Okay, don't go for number of steps, formula, calculations, all waste. I gave you method, reason. By any chance, if you don't remember, result. Yes, we don't know. Suddenly I forgot. Tension. At the end, third level, select method. Slowly do all the steps. Get correct answer. Instead of missing the question, in any way you cannot escape. That is why 3 levels every time I will represent. First level subject, second level with the formula, third one techniques on anything. Here, how I will give you a formulation? Now you see. That is our title. To find coefficient of x power s in general I am writing a x power p. Power can be anything. X power q. Answer. The coefficient of x power s is t r plus 1 over. Where only problem about r is equal to np minus s by p plus q finished only. Plus minus not a problem. I gave you plus, they give me the minus, no problem. R value no. Then substitute here TR plus 1. Okay. Now example. Immediate answer. 4x cube plus 3 by x square whole power 40. This is problem I got. Okay, they want in that 40 only already. 40. We will see now. Okay. 40 into 3. 120. 120 minus 40 by 3 plus 2. 80 by 5. How much? 16. Once you get R, does not say that answer. What is your term therefore? T17 is the term which contains x power part. Sometimes, very rare, you get this problem. Now I am writing 2x square minus 1 by x whole power 13 or something. Okay, now I want in this x power 4. Okay, do that method. R equal to 13 into 2, 26, minus 4, 22. By how much? 3. Then what is the answer? You will divide 7 point something. Not possible. Because R represents integer, term it is second term, fourth term, seventh term. Term represents integer, positive integer strictly. Means natural number. It cannot be negative number and it cannot be fraction. You got fraction here. Such term does not exist. If you expand 14 terms, you will get all other terms but not x power 4. Okay, this is also possible. Suddenly they will give this problem. The term is T4, T7, T9, none of the above. Or instead of none of the above, term does not exist. How to decide? If you are not getting integer, now note, after formula, what is our formula? Definitely natural number. If R is a fraction, rational number, P by Q form, then such term does not exist. Means x power s, whatever they want, does not exist. Example, this only. Since 22 by 3 is a fraction, there is no x power 4 in the problem only. Since R equal to 22 by 3 is a fraction, term containing x power 4 does not exist. Suddenly they can give a very rare, but that also we are ready as per synopsis. Hence overall, what is our formula? Second one today, after middle term, how to find the x power s in general. General term, correct power of x equating to s, simplify, substitute. Suppose you take this problem only. I will take one more. Its next formula is very simple and easy based on the same. Now I will write. First example is 3x plus 4 by x square whole power 20. Okay. Now in this they want, take 21. Easy example. Now they are asking constant term is also same as term independent of x. Independent of x means constant only. Any binomial expansion, when you write all the terms, some problems may contain constants. Some may not contain constants, you don't know. If you expand, you will understand. But without expansion, how you give, that is our rule. Here I am writing result, or else a problem. Same working rule. To find constant term in ax power p, b by x power q whole power n. Same. Equating power of x to 2. They gave s. Constant means what? 0. X power 0 is 1, independent of x. Therefore, what you should do here? Equating to 0. Answer. Subject is like this only, steps. Now, I will not do long method, direct answer I want. What is R value? Use that formula. What is formula I gave? This formula. As per constant term, what is our S value? 0. Remove this. Answer. Okay. Both are of same almost. S is not there only. Then with this result, what is the answer? Directly 21 into 1, no? 21 no? By 1 plus 2, 3. 21 by 3, 7. No? H term is the answer. Complete. Okay. R equal to NP by P plus Q. To find constant term in this expansion, R equal to NP by P plus Q. Then TR plus 1 is the constant term. That example. What is the answer? R equal to 21 by 3 or 7. Then 8th term is the answer. If you write, if you simplify, x definitely will be cancelled. You will be left with only constant. Write down now 8th term. 21c7 3x whole power 21 minus 7 4 by x square whole power 7. 21c7 3 power 14 4 power 7 x power 14 by 2 7. What is next? Nothing is there. All x eliminated. Only independent of x remaining. This is the answer. Because numbers are very big, they will not calculate. This will be the answer in ABCD. This is your final. That is why both of them are same. X power s constant term. Steps are almost same, equaling to 0. Our method will be like that. Formula means s you are missing. Here s is there. There s is not there. This is your answer. Plus or minus not a problem. By chance if you get fraction, okay. Constant term does not exist. Now, simple example. Give answer without doing anything on the paper. Constant term n 4x square plus 5 by x power 4. Okay, I will write. Whole power 21. Okay, simple. What is 21 into 2? 42. Minus not there because it is constant. 42 by 4 plus 2, 6. 42 by 6, see, 42 by 6, how much? Integer or fractional? Integer. Then what is the answer? But little development is more. Instead of integer, now they will give you here also fractions. Now that is very rare to get. 3 root x plus 4 by cube root x whole power 10. First problem, find coefficient of x cube. Okay. Second problem, find the constant term. Both are the same I am doing. Now you have to simplify. Fractions are there, p value, q value. Here, first for any issue we need r value. How to get r value in this problem? What is result? Np minus s by p plus q. N 10, p 1 by 2 minus s 3 by p 1 by 2 q 1 by 3. Calculations are there. 5 minus 3 2 by 5 by 2. Final answer 4 by 5. Integer or fraction? Fraction. Term does not exist. Or no term. Okay? Next, constant. How to calculate result? Np by p plus q. 10 half by 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 5 by 2. Integer. Okay. Exists. What is the term? Third term is definitely constant. Okay, this is the procedure. Either general term coefficient of anything or constant term almost the same. S here, S is not there. Simplify. Integer getting a answer is possible. Integer not there, that term does not exist. Either plus minus, not a problem. These three results mainly today we focus. Middle term, coefficient of anything, constant term. These are the main results for CAT. We can do problems with one or two extra results I will give. They are very, very powerful. Most powerful result we are writing. How to find sum of all the coefficients. Okay, that is very, very effective result. Next class I will give. Meantime, we practice these basic problems. Okay, enough today.